Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to pronounce the state capitals in Austria. We go from Bregenz to Vienna. On the one hand, we learn how to pronounce the state capitals in Standard German. On the other hand, we take a look at how locals will call them. If you like the video, please like it or subscribe. Thanks a lot, and here we go. The learning goal of this video is to learn how to pronounce the state capitals in Austria. Let's start in the west. The capital of Vorarlberg is Bregenz. Bregenz. Locals may say Bregenz. Bregenz. The capital of Tyrol is Innsbruck. Innsbruck. Locals will say Innsbruck. Innsbruck. The capital of Carinthia is Klagenfurt. Klagenfurt. Locals might call it Klagenfurt. Klagenfurt. The capital of Styria is Graz. Graz. Arnold Schwarzenegger would say Graz. Graz. The capital of Salzburg is Salzburg. Salzburg. Locals will say Salzburg. Salzburg. For instance, the slogan of the football club Red Bull Salzburg is "This is Salzburg." That's Salzburg. This is Salzburg. The capital of Upper Austria is Linz. Linz. Some may say Linz. Linz. There's the saying "in Linz begins," meaning in Linz it begins. The capital of Lower Austria is St. Pölten. St. Pölten. Locals will say St. Pölten. St. Pölten. The capital of the Burgenland is Eisenstadt. Eisenstadt. Locals may say Eisenstadt. Eisenstadt. And finally, the capital of Vienna is Wien. Wien. Some locals may say Wien. Wien. I hope you're a bit more familiar with the pronunciation of the Austrian state capitals. Thanks a lot for watching, have a nice day, and see you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Auf Wiedersehen.